So you remember how I said I might opt to get color matched parts for the Fusion in the future? Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do that.
Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear.
Oh my God!
Chaos. And intimidation.
Some things you just can't make up. Yeah. I know. Didn't we just fix all that? Yep, we did. Headlight, bumper cover, fender, and door this time. Less than ideal. I guess we're gonna fix it again.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Alright, so we got a bunch of used parts that are color match. And we already got the busted door off. So, as you can tell, I'm not really trying to waste any time, so we're gonna get after it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
And then I will deal with it once I get better off.
Fire spreading all around the world. The world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
I really dislike junkyard dogs. Oh, and I can't show you because the hinge is loose. But they cut the harness in the door. So, I already have to take the door panel. Bye, Dylan. I gotta take the door panel off so I can get the mirror off. And we're gonna have to harvest my... God dang. So that's one complaint. Second complaint. The fender, when it showed up, was literally tossed in a box. And this whole piece right here was like... And you can tell because of the way that it is. Neat. But, I mean, at the end of the day, it's all still better than what we got on there right now. So, now that I got the door kind of on there, I'm going to go ahead and start ripping the rest of its face off.
I'm rolling out, Badger.
Alright, but man.
I gotta run Shelby home and I got church practice tonight. Man, that thing did a number on you.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, we already swapped the door out. I know, naturally, the junkyard dogs left the harness, and then when I got it installed, I go to look and they cut the fucking wires going into the motors. So Scott's like, it's only 5 wires. I'm like, no. I will put my harness in that door. I'm not scabbing wires together on it.
Take the time, do it right.
Yeah.
Alright, buddy, have a good weekend.
You too.
I'll lock the front up here if you'll just make sure everything's shut down.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Parkdale Auto for letting us do this here. Keep feeling like I've done this before. Stupid. Yeah. They showed them. What am I forgetting? Ten! Fucking 10! Something tells me I'm not gonna have to take it off on the other side because, you know. It's already off. I got it! Alright. I say that a lot in these videos. Alright. 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 Headlight. And minus the hood, all the damaged bits are removed. So lame. It's like I just bought these. Because I did. The only bulb still usable? Freaking blinker. If I can get it out without breaking it. It's the only good piece. Now that all the broken bits are removed, going ahead, we got the original headlight put back in on this side, so this side's buttoned up. But like I said, we gotta swap the door harness, and with the door closed is the only way you can get this out of the jam to get these unplugged. Obviously, much easier to do without a fender. So I'm gonna put we're gonna go ahead and harvest everything we need off of this door and then get the harness into that door, and then we will continue on putting the fender and stuff. Yeah.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way? world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days.
It's almost 9 o'clock on a Friday night. But, wow, it looks way less messed up. And we also installed some 1.25" wheel spacers. Just a little poke, just a little. And honestly, with some lowering springs, it'll probably be perfect. So, not gonna do that till probably springtime, but dang. There it is. There's our CoPart Fusion, all one color. Like I said, just ignore that. Pay that no never mind, and you know, she's a solid 20-footer. We've got more to talk about, but it's late and I want to go home, so we will talk tomorrow. I am a child.
Nothing screams I'm a douchebag more than fixing your car up to make more noise than it's supposed to.